Hey guys, Xaikoo here. I just saw the new Apple event they released I guess about an hour ago. Boy, were there a lot of new bombs Apple dropped at everyone. First of all, it was not expected, I believe, because I think that the WWDC was supposed to happen in July, if I'm not wrong, somewhere between 7 to 11 of July. 7-Eleven. 3 new products and they're all amazing. They were AirTag, the new iPad Pro and the new iMac. The best thing I believe out of all of this is the new iPad Pro. I just bought an iPad Pro and there you go, there's a new iPad Pro coming up. It is Apple, this is how it goes. But anyways, the point is they introduced the M1 chip in the iPad Pro now. I'm pretty sure Apple is visualizing this future where where less people would be using their laptops compared to their iPads or tablets, because I guess it's much more portable. You have touch screen, much more user friendly. So I believe Apple is looking to that future compared to a future where everyone would be using a laptop like we do in this day and age. It is pretty cool, pretty awesome. Very nice for people who are very into iPad. It's an amazing update and it's almost a laptop right now. I'm sorry for the noise you're hearing over here. This is my Alienware I'm recording in. On Saturday I'm going to drop the review of this thing. I think it's pretty amazing, but yeah, one of the complaints is that it's very noisy. I just wanted to give you guys a very quick update. Apple just released a new event. It's basically to introduce 3 major components Apple has released, and they should be available by Friday. I believe it's on 23rd of April 2021. You guys should be able to buy whatever they have released today. The 3 main components is an AirTag, iPad Pro, and an iMac. The AirTag is basically like a keychain, which you should be able to find like where your key is, and they use precise location and everything like that. It is actually not something new. If you guys have ever used this thing called Tile, it is very similar to it. They have been doing it for a while now, but as it's Apple now, it's gonna be mainstream real soon. And it's actually pretty reasonable. They place it at 30 bucks. I mean, honestly, when I was going to check for the prices and Apple.com, I was thinking of somewhere about $100, $120 or something like that, but damn, it's pretty good. Anyways, another thing they released is the new iMac 4.5K Retina display, and it is using the M1 chip. Apple has completely changed from an Intel to an M1 chip, its own Apple production. Wow, that's a big step. It's now that one component which was not Apple is once again Apple in your normal day and age laptop and computer. Pretty good, pretty nice, neat. Oh, and also the iMac is coming in various colors. It's not just old white color with just the usual iMac looking, which has been there for, I don't know, a decade now or something like that. It's new. They have various color options in it you can go for. I believe there are like 3 options over there. You can pick between 8-core, 7-core GPU, 8-core GPU but 256 GB of SSD, and 8-core GPU with 512 GB if I'm not wrong. You can pick either one of those. And as it goes, like the very basic model, the 8-core, 7-core GPU with 256 GB, it won't have like all 7 colors in it, and it's once again not as costly as I imagined earlier. It would be around the very basic model you can get for about 1,250 bucks without taxes, obviously, never include the taxes. So it's neat, it's nice. The most expensive one over here would be around 1,600 bucks. Once again, not that bad. They have there was a time when iMac used to be like this bigger line of Apple products, and now it's right there with MacBook Pro. So I guess the Pros are getting upper and the Mac is staying right there, but it's okay. There is a new design and everything. But my goodness, the real deal over here is none of those AirTag or iMacs. It is actually the new iPad Pro. It will be the best tablet once it is released. at least until some other computer company or some Samsung or whatever comes out, Android, with some big news surprises. It's going to be the most powerful tablet which is out there, and it is a pretty neat thing for anyone who's a tablet user, more of a tablet user than a computer or a phone user. It's pretty neat. This was just a short one. I wasn't aware of this event happening, so it was a beautiful surprise to wake up and awaken to this. That's about it. Let's see what WWDC is gonna come up with in July, if that's still happening, and I'll keep you guys posted on it. See you guys. Bye.